Have you been looking for a lake property? This one could be for you. Hi, I'm Jenna Shimoleski with ERA Reardon Realty. Welcome to my newest listing at 272 Washington Drive in Michigan Center. Located on Michigan Center Lake, which is the chain of lakes, you're gonna love this custom home built by M&R Builders, a very well-respected company here in the Jackson area. They build the best homes. You're gonna love the high-end finishes. You're gonna love the vaulted ceilings. You're gonna love efficiencies like zone heating, 2 water heaters. Lifestyle-wise, you've got this amazing deck. You've got a great location in the lake. You've got 2 living areas, 2 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Why don't you just check it out?